today. We're working on my new coffee table. Got the boards all laid out for this. Is going to be the new table. All right, got some boards tacked down on the back. These ones weren't in the best shape, so went through and glued those, stapled them down. I'll let them dry, and then now I'm gonna work on the trim pieces. So the trim pieces will go. So I went through and ripped all these boards all the same length with the table saw. So they were this width. Ripped them down to 1 3/4 inches. Now they're gonna go on the edge like so, and that will create kind of the border going around. So all right, got the edge all fitting on pretty good. Had to make a cut in the middle because I saw Ramonette's piece, so I wanted to show some knots. So I'm glad I got a couple knots on here. It's got this last piece to fit on here, and then I could do the metal base that'll hold it up. So this is all built. That's what it's gonna look like. Wipe that glue out of there. Don't want to see that, but that's what the tables are gonna look like. Nice edge, nice top. And take it and rough it up a little bit. Put some more kind of dings and chips in it. And I'll just sand the edges slightly. Take that corner off. That was hard to tell with my workbench. My workbench is the same color, what it looks like, but I like it. Next step, I'm gonna sand some of these edges. Have a little bit of a catch to them, so just gotta make them flat. Don't want to make it perfect. It's not my style, but I don't like catching my hand on them, so do something to take that edge off a little bit. Moved it onto this so you could see it a little better. Just gotta do the finishing on it, so. Okay, next part. Here is my coffee table legs. It's gonna be these two old bar stools. So we're gonna take these and take them apart, get rid of the wood, and I'm actually gonna be cutting them apart to create just one and weld them all together. So, and then there's the top over there. So, okay, got the tops all stripped off. So now what we're gonna do is join these together and go through and weld it all together on the top and bottom, and make it one. And then I'll be cutting across this, taking that out, so it should just have 4 legs going down and no cross supports at the bottom. So I got the metal all cut out. Just working on the stand portion. Trying to decide if I like it or not. We'll see. It's kind of dinky. I think the legs are a little dinky and it kind of looks like a desk. So I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know. What's everybody's thoughts on it? I'm gonna give these knots a little more character. Darken them up a little bit and then I'll sand it down again and burn them. Get some black to them. Alright, got the knots all burnt and then I'll sand it down and it'll just look like, it'll just give it some character. Kind of change up the wood so it's not so mono colored. So, yeah, it looks like a Dalmatian right now, but it'll look good. I promise. Got some black wood filler. I'm gonna be working into these cracks and these knots. Like I want to see the knots. Not trying to hide them. So if anything, I'm just trying to enhance them a little bit, but also not have them have these giant holes in them. So let's work all this black in here. I burn it a little bit, but that's all gonna be sanded off. So for the most part. So I recycled these inserts from the bar stools. And just thread into all the holes. Oh, am I missing one? Oh, there's one. There's one over there. You see it? It's over there. Go grab it. Alright, last one. And then I'm going to put this top on. So this was the two bar stools that I welded together. Took the wood off, cut the middle out. So that'll be my stand. So I'll be using all the same hardware, even these little nuts to mount it. So okay. Got those all in, got this back on. Now these are just gonna go just like how it was before. The only money I have spent on this entire project was this black wood filler for the knots. So I've not spent very much on it at all. I kind of like it with the wood on the bottom, but I don't have any more older, so